Maria is the most powerful hurricane to hit the island in nearly a century.
Because yesterday was the very first day of the Atlantic hurricane season right here in Puerto Rico, that they are not prepared to take on another hurricane because this is more than 11,000 people in shelters right now, and the power system, will it hold up given the infrastructure here in Puerto Rico?
And now a new warning from officials: the island cannot withstand another hurricane.
Emergency management now confirms 100% of Puerto Rico now without power in the longest running blackout in American history.
It doesn't begin to match what this population needs. The systems have been crushed. There is no electricity. There is no infrastructure.
Hurricane Maria slamming into the island, and as you heard, one official saying the island is destroyed.
3.4 million people living in dire straits.
There are major questions over the true death toll.
A new Harvard study found that 4,645 people died as a result of the hurricane, and calls the government's official toll of 64 deaths a substantial underestimate of the true burden of mortality.
The government of Puerto Rico still does not officially, publicly, have a clear understanding of who died, when, and why.
Our voice, we're second-class citizens. We don't have representation.
Expect help from a country whose majority of people don't know we belong to it. I mean, there are 3.5 million U.S. citizens on Puerto Rico that people don't know, really.
It's the question, who are we as Americans? What are we becoming as Americans? It's hurricane season, and the island is not prepared.